Our journey begins with a chilling encounter from England, where a woman named Charmaine de Rosario Sage experienced something straight out of a science fiction movie. Charmaine claims she was transformed into a reptilian-human hybrid by extraterrestrial beings.
I woke up. A reptilian came into the room. We went to an underground cave. There was a group of reptilians there, and they stood around me in a circle. Each one of them put one hand on my body, and I slowly changed. And it was the most amazing, but also sort of bizarre situation to look down at your body and see it morph from your human form into a reptilian form. To see the skin shift from being smooth into scales, and to find that I had a tail.
Now, this isn't just a story of a strange encounter. It's a story that raises profound questions about alien influence on human genetics. Could it be possible that extraterrestrials have been altering our DNA for their own mysterious purposes? Around the world, many report encounters with beings that appear to be human-reptilian hybrids. David Icke, a former sports broadcaster turned researcher, has collected numerous testimonies of such encounters, suggesting a hidden alien agenda to infiltrate humanity with their DNA.
Well, I look at what officialdom tells us is happening and check it out. And if you can back that up with information, it's not a theory.
Similarly, former U.S. Air Force Sergeant Clifford Stone testified about government knowledge of reptilian beings and secret programs involving them, adding credibility to these extraordinary claims.
Well, I was asking, well, what is it? And he went ahead and said, it's some type of Soviet spacecraft that crashed. Says, now, if you get there and you see anything unusual, you need to keep in mind that the Soviets put monkeys, just like we do, in their craft. And as a result of that, if you see any bodies, don't worry about it. It will be monkeys. This was nothing that I had ever seen.
This brings us to a troubling question. Have aliens been altering human DNA for centuries or even millennia? Ancient astronaut theorists believe our genetic code might have been tampered with by beings from beyond Earth. This could explain sudden leaps in human evolution that science can't fully account for. What if our rapid development wasn't just natural but the result of alien genetic engineering? Real-world cases add weight to this theory. Take the Star Child skull, a 900-year-old skull found in Mexico with unusual features. Its thin yet strong bone structure, large cranial capacity, and DNA anomalies have led some researchers to suspect alien-human hybridization. Another case involves the rare Rh-negative blood type, which doesn't follow normal inheritance patterns. Some suggest Rh-negative individuals could be descendants of ancient alien-human breeding programs, especially since this blood type is more common in certain regions, like the Basque Country in Spain. In 2002, Harvard researchers discovered 223 genes in the human genome with no known origin, prompting some scientists to hypothesize they could be of extraterrestrial origin. These examples suggest that the idea of alien influence on our genetics may not be as far-fetched as it seems, raising deep questions about humanity's true origins. This theory may not be as far-fetched as it sounds. For thousands of years, stories of gods coming down from the heavens and mixing with humans have appeared in cultures worldwide. Could these stories be more than just myths? Could they be evidence of extraterrestrials shaping human history by merging their DNA with ours? The ancient Sumerians, one of the oldest civilizations on Earth, wrote about the Anunnaki, those who came from the heavens. Some researchers, like Zecharia Sitchin, believe these beings were extraterrestrials who genetically engineered humans by mixing their DNA with early hominids to create a labor force. In ancient Hindu texts like the Vedas and the Mahabharata, Vimanas are described as flying chariots of the gods, possibly indicating advanced technology from extraterrestrials. Some theorists suggest these gods were aliens who interbred with humans, leading to demigods and heroes with extraordinary abilities. In South America, the Nazca lines, large geoglyphs visible only from the air, might have been created as communication or landing guides for extraterrestrial visitors. The humanoid figures in these lines could represent beings perceived as gods by the Nazca people, who may have influenced their genetics. Egyptian pharaoh Akhenaten, known for his elongated skull and revolutionary religious changes, has been speculated to have alien influence or even be a hybrid. His shift to monotheism and worship of the sun Diskatin might have been an attempt to honor or communicate with extraterrestrials who altered his genetics. These historical examples from different cultures and times suggest a pattern: beings described as gods or visitors from the sky interbreeding with humans and influencing our civilizations. Whether through direct genetic manipulation or interbreeding, these stories hint at the possibility that extraterrestrials have played a significant role in shaping human history and even our biology. Consider the case from Australia, where a man found a hair sample with DNA so unusual it didn't fit any known human category. Could this be evidence of alien intervention? The implications are staggering. Dr. Roger Lear, a podiatrist, removed alleged alien implants that lab tests showed contained materials not found on Earth. Some implants even emitted radio signals or moved on their own, hinting at alien involvement. In 2001, Dr. W.C. Levengood and Dr. John A. Burke analyzed a substance from a crop circle that had unidentifiable biological matter, suggesting it might not be from Earth.
There isn't any group of scientists that I know that could have hoaxed the Nevada formations and about 95% of the others.
So what do you think? The truth might be hidden in our genes, just waiting to be discovered. Keep watching, keep asking questions, and maybe one day we'll uncover the secrets of our alien ancestry. Thanks for watching. If you like this story, hit the like button and subscribe for more cool stories from history and mythology.